Hi, my name's Ryan. I'm a client advisor here with Gramophone, and today I am excited. We're going to be talking about the SONY WH1000XM4, guys. Let's get into it. Sony has a long history in the headphone game. They proved it with the XM3, they built upon it and brought us this here today. So let's dive in and find out what Sony's done different this time around. So let's talk about some of the features on the box, guys. So if you take a look here, you got 360 reality audio, you got Alexa built in, you have 30 hours of battery time, which is fantastic. Bluetooth, of course. Some other features that you have here, you have LDAC, DSEE, Sense Engine. So all the goodies all built in. So let's get into the unbox. So opening this up, you get a really nice ergonomic traveling case. This is slim. This is going to be really easy to pack into your luggage and your backpack and travel with. That's fantastic. It feels really nice. The materials are cool. Wow, these pups are beautiful. From Sony, they put a lot of thought, you can tell. Let's get them out of the case here. Wow, weight feels really nice. Premium build. The cups articulate really nice, so that's going to mean for a really good fit. Nice and soft on the pads. Thumbs up, Sony. This looks fantastic. So let's talk about what's in the box, guys. So here, this is going to give you quick information on how to set up the Sony Connect. They give you, which is a really nice touch, their 360 reality audio, which gives you that kind of full atmospheric sound, which is a really nice touch from Sony. And then you get all the included literature. And then the included accessories, you got your headphone cable if you want to hook it into your phone. If you're going on a long flight, airplanes, you can use this as an airplane adapter, and this is going to be your charging cable included as well. So you got all the goodies that you need to get this hooked up and rocking and rolling. The headphones, the ergonomic case, which again, fantastic. I think Sony did a great job with that. And then your lovely box to keep it and store it in. Alright guys, so let's talk about specs and features. With this model, they kept the NFC chip, which is exciting from their previous model, and built onto it. So I'm going to kind of show you here with the headset on. Swipe up, that's going to increase the volume. Swipe down, lower the volume. Swipe right to change the track. The other really nice thing is if you're in proximity to your phone, you get quick connect. It's very responsive. It's a fantastic feature here. From the old XM3, you can still hold your hand to the side of the ear cup. It'll pause the music, which is great. The new added feature is speak to chat. So when it senses your voice, it pauses the music. In this model, you get the QN1 processor, which if you know this brand, you know this model has fantastic sound isolation and noise canceling technology built right in. You could be on a plane, baby's crying, and you don't hear it. It's fantastic. It's just that good. My last job, I traveled a ton. I would just use IEMs, but you could still hear it. This, it's gone. That's freaking magic. That's why I'd buy this, actually. Another feature of the XM4 is the ambient sound control. This allows you within the Sony Connect app to control the level of sound you want coming in right from the app. Another feature that's fantastic in the XM4 is the DSEE. This allows AI built into the application to enhance the music to a higher fidelity playback. You may not notice a significant difference in the sound, but there is a difference. This model also has adaptive sound control, which allows you to have adjusted settings within the app for frequently visited locations. Essentially, the app is trying to do all the hard work for you, which really makes this great. One more feature that I want to show you here on the headphone itself, if you can take a look. In here you see there's a sensor built in. This allows the headphone to know when you take the headphone off, it pauses the music. When you put it back on, brings the music right back up. So the previous model had fantastic battery life. This continues that same tradition. So you get 30 hours with a full charge, which is phenomenal. And then with a quick charge of 10 minutes, you get 5 hours. All right guys, so let's talk about comfort. And this headphone has it in spades. Very ergonomic. It's got nice plush padding here on the headset and then also on the cups. When you place it on your head, they just disappear. So for 30 hours, you got a very comfortable, very easy listening experience. They gave a little bit more room in the ear cups and a little bit more padding on the top to the crown of your head so you get no hot spots. It just feels great on the head. So these are also very lightweight, so you don't even feel them on your head. There's a lot less clamping pressure, which makes it very comfortable. They also widen the headband a little bit to give you a little bit more room with the additional padding. So it fits great. Part of that is how easy these are to fold away and travel with, which is really a huge plus. And that's what you want when you're traveling. So yeah, they just fold right back up within themselves into this compact design. And of course you have your ergonomic case here. Fold the cups up like this, so slide them in. They're good to go. Again, I just want to reiterate the point that these are very ergonomic, very small, and when they fit into this case, when it's all zipped up, it fits perfectly into your luggage or backpack for traveling. It is fantastic. Also, this comes in two colors, platinum silver and black, both very stylish. So just like the previous model, this has the Sony Connect app, which allows you to customize noise cancellation and also the DSEE feature as well. The app is meant to be very easy to use, user-friendly, to pair perfectly with the headphone. Of course, it has the Bluetooth functionality, which we love, but you can also hardwire connect it with the headphone cable here. Really easy to insert in the bottom of the headphone itself and then into your device. And the headphone jack you're going to find right over here on the headphone cup. So what differentiates this from the previous model is dual connect, which allows you to connect to two different devices at the same time. Say you're working on your laptop, you're listening to music, and you gotta take a phone call. This will now allow you to seamlessly go between the phone call and the music without any worry. So under $400, this headphone is hard to beat. You get amazing noise canceling. You get awesome comfort wearing them, very ergonomic. You can pack this away in all your luggage and all your suitcases, backpacks, and it sounds great. Overall, Sony did a great job making this headset and improving upon it. So if you want to make these headphones your own, check out skybygramophone.com where you can check out securely, get fast and free shipping right to your door. Also, come visit us at our showrooms in Timonium, Columbia, Gaithersburg, and the Kitchen Design Center in Hunt Valley, Maryland. Whether you're looking for project ideas, need to schedule a service request, or contact one of our hi-fi home theater or our interior design experts, get inspired at gramophone.com. If you have any questions for me, ask at gramophone.com. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, like, comment, or subscribe. But don't forget, we want to hear from you. What did you think of the video? And more importantly, what did you think of the XM4s? Let us know down in the comments. And as always, enjoy the music.